At this point, we're ready to go outside and do our pre-trip inspection out there. So before we do that, we want to make sure we take the key with us. And when we exit the truck, right now, here we can grab something like the wheel, the handle here, and the steps, which is the 3 points of contact, to safely exit the truck. I'm here to perform an outside pre-trip inspection. We're going to follow this checklist here. I advise that you use that. It's the same one that the MVC has in their possession. You're allowed to use this for your test. So first off, we're going to start with the external lights. My clearance lights. My clearance lights are in good condition. No damages, no broken, working properly. Proper color amber. Headlights. Headlights, driver's side and passenger side, are in good condition, not cracked, damaged, or broken, and are clear. Signal lights are in good condition on the driver's side and passenger side, not cracked, damaged, or broken, working properly. Next, we're going to do our fluid levels. Lift up the lip, the passenger side. Okay? The coolant reservoir, I want to mention that it's secured to the truck, to the radiator. It's in good condition, not cracked, not damaged, not broken. There are no leaks. We can see the fluid level. We want to mention it's at the proper level. The cap, it's secure and tight, in good condition, no damages. The hoses are also secured by the clamps, good condition. The hoses are no damages, no holes, no leaks, no illegal tape. The oil reservoir is in good condition. It's secure, no cracks, no damages, no leaks. The cap is secure and tight, in good condition, no damage. The oil dipstick is in good condition, no damage. Okay, to check the oil level, we're going to remove the dipstick, wipe it off, reinsert it or put it back, take it out again, and check and make sure it's at the proper level. Fluid and air leaks. Fluid and air leaks. Okay, over here, I don't see any fluid leaks, no oil, no antifreeze, no steering fluid, nothing like that. And our air leaks, we have our air lines over here. I don't see any damage. I don't hear any leaks. No illegal tape. Okay, next, steering system. Well, here we have our steering system. We're going to start with the steering shaft right here. It's in good condition. It's not bent or damaged. It's working properly. The U-joints are also in good condition, no damages, and properly greased. This is the power steering fluid reservoir. It's mounted securely. It's not cracked, damaged, or broken. There's no leaks, and it's at the proper operating level. The cap is also secure and tight. It's in good condition, no damage. The hoses are also in good condition. No damages, no holes, no leaks, and no illegal tape. This is the gearbox. The gearbox is secured to the frame. It's not cracked or damaged. It's not broken. Not missing any pieces. No missing any nuts or bolts. Okay. Now we have our pitman arm. This is the steering linkage right here. So the pitman arm is in good condition. No cracks, no damage. It's not broken. Okay. It's secure. And we have our drag link here. The drag link is also in good condition. No damages. It's not bent. It's not broken. It's working properly. This is our steering knuckle. The steering knuckle is also secure. It's not damaged or broken or bent. Now we have our tassel nuts and our cotter pins. Are secure in place, properly tight, no damage, good condition. All right. Next, we're going to go to the tires. No excessive wear. Is in good condition. We're going to go to the tread now. The tread is even tread wear, good condition. The tread depth is a minimum of 432 and no less. The front tires, the steer tires, cannot be recapped. The proper PSI for this tire is 100 to 120 PSI. Okay? Now the rims are secure, good condition. They're not damaged, they're not cracked. Free from any illegal welds. The lug nuts. Lug nuts are in good condition, properly tight, no damage, none are missing, and I don't see any rust that would indicate a loose lug nut. Next is going to be springs, airbags, and shocks. We don't have any airbags up front on this truck, so we don't need to mention that. Just say no airbags up front. Our leaf springs. Our leaf springs are secure, good condition, no cracks, no damage. Shock absorber. Shock absorber is secure, good condition, no cracks, no damage. It has fluid inside, so it's not leaking. Next, brake lines, hoses, and leaks. So here we have our brake lines and hoses. Good condition, secure, no damages, no holes, no leaks, no illegal tape. So I turned the tire or the wheel out a little bit so we can see inside. We're going to do brake contaminants. So inside the brake drum, it's free from any contaminants or debris such as oil or grease. It is clean and in good condition, working properly. All right, next we've got lenses and reflectors. So our reflector here is in good condition, secure, no damage. Proper color amber. Mirrors. Mirrors are secure to the truck, good condition, no cracks, no damages. Next, we're going to go to our battery. So right here, the battery is inside. This is the battery compartment. Battery compartment is not cracked or damaged, and it is secure. Inside, the battery is secure. It's not damaged. There's no loose wires. Free from any corrosion. Good condition. All right. Next, we have our fuel tanks. The fuel tank is in good condition, secure to the truck's frame. It's not cracked, damaged, or broken. I don't see any leaks. The cap is secure and tight and also in good condition. The frame of the truck is in good condition. It's not bent, it's not damaged, it's not cracked, and I don't see any illegal welds. Next is going to be our air and electric lines and connectors. Air and electric lines. Here we have our service airline, and here we have our emergency airline. The airlines are in good condition. There's no damages, no holes, no leaks, and no illegal repairs. They are working properly, in good condition. This is my electric line. My electric line is in good condition, no damages, no broken, it's working properly. Now here we have our connectors. Okay, our connectors to the trailer are secure, good condition, no leaks. Our connectors to the truck are secure, in good condition, and no leaks. Next, we're going to go to the fifth wheel. Now the fifth wheel skid plate. Okay, this is the fifth wheel skid plate right here. Okay, the fifth wheel skid plate is securely mounted, in good condition, no damages. Okay, and up here is our apron. Our apron is in good condition. There's no cracks or damages. Now we cannot have any gap between the apron and the fifth wheel skid plate. Can also mention that the fifth wheel is properly greased. Now, we're going to go underneath. Okay? Try and point this out here to show how everything works. So you know what you're looking at. Back here, where I'm pointing at right here, is the Kingpin. Secured to the trailer. It's not bent or damaged. It's in good condition, working properly. And these are the locking jaws. The locking jaws are in the secure position, good condition, working properly. And over here, we have our safety latch. The safety latch is in the lock position, secure, working properly, no damages. Next, we're going to go to our landing gear. Okay, we have our landing gear here. Landing gear is secured to the trailer. It's in good condition. I don't see any damage. Appears to be working properly. And the landing gear, the feet are fully raised. Okay, is proper clearance or fully raised. Next, our DOT reflective tape. It's in good condition. I don't see any damages. And none is missing. Let's look at the back. Okay, up here we have our lenses or our parking lights in good condition and they're working properly. And here we have our signal lights. Okay, signal lights both on the driver's side and passenger side are functioning properly. Our brake lights on the driver's side and passenger side are also working properly in good condition. And last but not least is our DOT reflective tape. It's also in good condition. It's not damaged and none is missing. Okay, well that concludes our outside pre-trip inspection. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.